Tired of wasting time on things that should be effortless? Get ready to upgrade your life with 25 genius Amazon finds that are so smart, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. From clever kitchen tools to space-saving organizers and high-tech home gadgets, these items are changing the game in 2025. Stick around till the end, because gadget number 25 is something you didn't even know you needed, but now you won't want to live without. Let's dive right in. Say goodbye to messy shower corners. This corner shower caddy with a tension pull is the ultimate space-saving solution for your bathroom. With adjustable shelves and a rust-resistant design, it neatly holds all your essentials: soaps, shampoos, razors, you name it, no drilling needed, just a snug fit and instant organization. Total game changer for tidy bathrooms. Peeling and coring apples just got insanely easier. This apple peeler and corer does the job in seconds with minimal effort. Its sharp stainless steel blades and easy turn crank make it perfect for prepping pies, snacks, or school lunches. Whether you're baking or meal prepping, this gadget saves time and eliminates mess, making it a must-have tool for any kitchen. Protect your kitchen surfaces in style with this oil-proof, heat-resistant peel and stick aluminum foil. It's perfect for countertops, stoves, and cabinets, blocking stains, grease, and heat damage with ease. Just cut, peel, and stick for an instant kitchen upgrade that's both practical and mess-free. Whip up delicious meals effortlessly with this electric slow cooker, perfect for stews, soups, and tender meats. It cooks your food evenly over time while you sit back and relax. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy flavorful home-cooked dishes with minimal effort. Make dishwashing faster and more hygienic with these multifunctional silicone dishwashing gloves. Designed with built-in scrubbing bristles, they let you scrub dishes, fruits, and even pets without needing extra sponges. Heat-resistant, durable, and easy to clean, these gloves make cleaning a breeze while keeping your hands safe and dry. Relax and unwind with this wooden massager stick, perfect for relieving muscle tension and improving blood circulation. Its ergonomic design and smooth wooden rollers target pressure points effectively, making it ideal for back, neck, and leg massages. A natural, easy-to-use solution for everyday stress relief. Maximize your space with this over-the-door hook, the perfect solution for hanging coats, bags, towels, or accessories without drilling or damage. Just slip it over any standard door and instantly add extra storage. Its sturdy, rust-resistant design blends seamlessly with any decor, making it both functional and stylish for any room. Make perfect dumplings in seconds with this 2-in-1 dumpling press maker. It combines a dough cutter and mold in one compact tool, letting you cut and seal dumplings effortlessly. Ideal for making momos, ravioli, or empanadas, this gadget saves time and ensures consistent results. A must-have for every home cook or kitchen enthusiast. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops with this rotating vegetable storage trolley. Designed with multiple tiers and a 360 degrees rotating feature, it gives you easy access to all your kitchen essentials in one stylish and space-saving unit. Whether you're storing onions, potatoes, fruits, or pantry items, this trolley keeps everything organized and within reach. Its breathable mesh design ensures proper air circulation, keeping produce fresh for longer. Plus, the sturdy wheels make it super easy to move around. A perfect blend of convenience, style, and practicality for any modern kitchen. Maximize every inch of your bathroom space with this slim storage cabinet. Perfectly designed to fit into narrow corners or tight spots, it offers multiple shelves and compartments to neatly store toiletries, cleaning supplies, and other essentials. Its sleek and compact design blends effortlessly with any decor, while the durable material ensures long-lasting use. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a more organized, functional bathroom setup with this space-saving wonder. Add style and storage to any corner with this 3-tier corner shelf stand, perfect for organizing toiletries, plants, kitchen essentials, or decorative items. It maximizes vertical space without taking up much room. Its sturdy design and modern look make it a versatile fit for bathrooms, kitchens, or bedrooms. Functional, compact, and visually appealing. Keep your space neat and clutter-free with these collapsible storage bins with lids, designed for maximum convenience. They easily fold down when not in use and pop open to store clothes, toys, linens, and more. The secure lid keeps dust out, while the sleek design fits perfectly in closets, shelves, or under beds. Slice, shred, and chop like a pro with this 5-in-1 handheld Mandoline slicer. This compact kitchen gadget comes with interchangeable blades, letting you switch between slicing, grating, julienning, and more in seconds. Its non-slip base and safety holder ensure secure, mess-free prep, while the foldable design makes storage effortless. A true time saver for everyday cooking. Keep your entryway neat and stylish with this sleek shoe storage cabinet. Designed to hold multiple pairs of shoes, it features a space-saving vertical design with pull-down drawers for easy access. The modern aesthetic blends perfectly with any decor, while its sturdy build ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for organizing your footwear and keeping your home clutter-free and elegant at the same time. Experience next-level comfort with this memory foam pillow that adapts to the shape of your head and neck for perfect support. It helps relieve pressure, reduce neck pain, and promote better sleep quality. Ideal for side, back, and stomach sleepers. A game changer for your nightly rest. This multi-purpose grinder is your all-in-one solution for grinding spices, coffee beans, nuts, and more with ease. Compact yet powerful, it features sharp stainless steel blades and a simple one-touch operation. Perfect for quick kitchen tasks. It saves time and adds fresh flavor to every meal. This 360-degree rotating laptop stand adds ultimate flexibility to your workspace. Effortlessly swivel your laptop to the perfect angle for typing, viewing, or video calls. Its sturdy build and adjustable height enhance comfort and posture, perfect for both home and office setups. This portable foldable bathtub brings spa-like relaxation right to your home. No renovations needed. Its compact, collapsible design makes it perfect for small spaces, while the sturdy structure ensures comfort and durability. Easy to set up and store. It's ideal for quick soaks, travel, or apartments without a full-size tub. Pamper yourself anywhere, anywhere, anytime. These interlocking foam floor tiles offer a quick and stylish way to upgrade any space. Perfect for home gyms, playrooms, or workshops. They provide cushion comfort and shock absorption. The puzzle-like design makes installation a breeze, while the water-resistant surface is easy to clean and maintain. Say goodbye to bulky storage with these vacuum storage bags that come with a powerful electric air pump, perfect for storing clothes, bedding, or seasonal items. They compress your items to save up to 80% space. The airtight seal keeps out moisture, dust, and odors, while the electric pump makes the process super quick and effortless. Ideal for travel, moving, or decluttering your home with ease and efficiency. Lifting heavy water bottles just got easier with this handy water bottle lifter. Designed with a strong, ergonomic handle and durable grip, it allows you to carry large bottles without straining your hands or spilling a drop. Whether for home or office use, it makes refilling dispensers hassle-free and safe. A simple tool with smart functionality. Give your living room an instant makeover with this L-shaped sofa couch cover, made from stretchable, soft, and durable fabric. It fits snugly around your sofa, protecting it from spills, stains, and pet hair. Easy to install and machine washable, it adds a fresh, stylish touch while extending your furniture's life. A must-have for modern homes. Keep your kitchen sink clean and clog-free with this handy sink strainer featuring a filter mesh bag. It effectively traps food particles, hair, and debris, preventing blockages and making cleanup a breeze. Easy to install and replace, it's perfect for busy kitchens. Say goodbye to messy drains and hello to hassle-free maintenance. Say goodbye to drilling and hello to convenience with this self-adhesive curtain rod holder. Designed for easy, damage-free installation, it sticks firmly to smooth surfaces and holds your curtain rods securely in place. Perfect for renters or quick upgrades. It blends functionality with style. No tools, no mess, just instant support for your curtains. Upgrade your bathroom routine with this automatic toothbrush dispenser. Designed for hygiene and convenience, it dispenses the perfect amount of toothpaste with just a gentle push. No mess, no waste. It also holds multiple brushes, keeping them organized and protected from dust. Sleek, wall-mounted, and easy to install. This gadget brings smart functionality and a modern touch to any bathroom space. Tired of messy cables and unsightly routers ruining your room's aesthetic? This Wi-Fi router storage box is the perfect fix. Designed to neatly hide your router, set-top box, and tangled wires, it keeps your space clutter-free and stylish. Its sleek, ventilated design ensures optimal signal strength while adding a modern touch to your decor. A must-have for organized, tech-savvy homes. Keep your charging cables safe and tangle-free with this silicone charger protector featuring a built-in wrap cord. It prevents fraying, extends cable life, and keeps things neat and organized. Its flexible, durable design adds a fun, practical touch to your daily tech essentials. Perfect for travel or everyday use. Keep your snacks perfectly organized with this divided snacks tray, featuring multiple compartments. It's ideal for serving chips, nuts, candies, and more, without mixing them up. Made from durable, food-grade material, it's perfect for parties, movie nights, or everyday snacking. Stylish, functional, and easy to clean. This dish drying mat for kitchen counters is the perfect blend of functionality and convenience. Made with super absorbent microfiber, it quickly soaks up water from freshly washed dishes, glasses, and utensils. Its soft cushioning protects delicate items, while the non-slip backing keeps it in place. Easily foldable and machine washable for everyday use. This beer bottle opener is the ultimate tool for effortless bottle popping. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it opens caps smoothly with minimal effort. Its sleek, compact design fits easily in your pocket, drawer, or on a keychain, making it perfect for parties, BBQs, or casual hangouts. A must-have for any beer lover's collection. Make fresh, delicious noodles at home with this automatic electric pasta maker machine. With just the push of a button, it mixes, kneads, and extrudes your favorite pasta, spaghetti, fettuccine, or penne, in minutes. No more store-bought pasta with additives. Its powerful motor and interchangeable molds make noodle making effortless and fun. The compact design ensures easy storage, while the removable parts make cleaning a breeze. Whether you're a home cook or a pasta enthusiast, this gadget brings the taste of homemade perfection to your kitchen with ease and convenience. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed discovering these genius Amazon finds, imagine what's coming next. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a gadget that could totally upgrade your lifestyle. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep exploring.